featherweight bout between Abhishek Negi in the blue corner taking on Sham Anand in the red corner.
And his opponent making his way to the cage, Sham Anand.
और श्याम आनंद की एंट्री अगर देखें तो बहुत ही कमाल की एंट्री है। अपने आप को पूरा ढक के आए हैं। ही इज कंप्लीटली फोकस्ड। बिहार से हैं श्याम आनंद और जिस तरह वो चल के आ रहे हैं मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि
Fighting out of the red corner, he weighed in at 65.8 kilograms, representing Bihar. Make some noise for Sham Anand!
Fighters, follow my instruction all the time. If I say stop, stop the fight. If you want to touch gloves and back.
म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट, दे टच द ग्लव्स। इससे पहले हमने देखा था जैसे क्लिंटन और साहिल ने 2 मैच पहले उन्होंने ग्लव्स टच नहीं किए थे। इट लुक्स लाइक दे रियली इन फॉर इट एंड आई कांट वेट टू सी कि श्याम आनंद किस तरह परफॉर्मेंस करेंगे। बोथ ऑफ देम लुक इन इनक्रेडिबल शेप। बड़ा मैचअप है बिहार के सबसे पहले फाइटर श्याम आनंद।
And the action begins. Salil, Sham Anand ने पहले MFN में खेला है and he had a brutal loss to Sanjeet Budwar and he wants to come back. He's been hungry ever since and he's swinging for the fences. Look at that, he's dropped Abhishek Negi. He's controlling Abhishek Negi and this is just the beginning of this bout.
पहले 30 सेकंड्स कई बार डिक्टेट कर सकते हैं कि पहला राउंड कैसा जाएगा, लेकिन इस हिसाब से और अभिषेक नेगी ने बहुत जबरदस्त स्लैम किया, बहुत जबरदस्त।
This is fantastic.
लेकिन अच्छा डिफेंसिव प्लॉय करने की कोशिश बाय श्याम आनंद। अगर हाथ खुल गया अभिषेक नेगी का, 1-2 पंचेज अगर लग गए तो यहाँ पे बहुत डेंजर हो सकता है श्याम आनंद के लिए।
Salil, Sham अपनी previous loss के बाद वो घर नहीं गए हैं. He's been training every day. He's been burning with the desire. He's been putting that grit and determination all into fighting just for this fight.
लेकिन अभी तक अभिषेक नेगी पूरा डोमिनेट करते हुए शाम को। और देखिए क्या होता है, कई बार ऐसे पोजीशन बन जाती है और एक ऐसे कॉर्नर में जब आप फंस जाते हैं तो निकलना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है। जैसे राहुल खुद एक जो फाइटर रह चुके हैं, खुद जानते हैं। राहुल, व्हाट यू डू रेकमेंड दैट श्याम अभी करे, किस तरह वो फंसे हुए हैं?
जस्ट अ करेक्शन हियर, अभिषेक यहाँ फंसे हुए हैं, शाम उनको डोमिनेट कर रहे हैं और यहाँ पे अभिषेक को क्या करना चाहिए कि वो श्रिम्प करके थोड़ा सा साइड में स्पेस बना के निकले एंड ही शुड मेक इट स्टैंडिंग, बट easier said than done. Sham Anand यहाँ पे is totally dominating. He's on the mount. He's going for an armbar. That was an attempt for an armbar, but he's dominating. I think एक disadvantage यहाँ पे अभिषेक के पास ये है कि ये केज के एकदम साथ में लगे हुए हैं and he doesn't have much room to move out of the place.
Looks like the extra months that Sham Anand ने निकाले थे to train and didn't go back to Bihar is really coming into play right now.
Oh, Abhishek is cut open. Ladies and gentlemen, Sham Anand pounding here. Abhishek is cut open. We can see a lot of blood flowing in.
से बहुत खून बहता हुआ और श्याम आनंद ने एकदम पकड़ बहुत मजबूत बना रखी है इस मैच। Oh, he missed it there. अगर ये लग जाता तो मुझे लगता है कि अभिषेक का खत्म हो जाता।
That was crazy elbow.
लेकिन पंचेस सर पर लगते हुए श्याम आनंद इन टोटल डोमिनेशन राइट नाउ। बिहार के पहले प्रोफेशनल फाइटर, जिस तरह राहुल ने बोला कि इससे पहले वो एमएफएन में हार चुके हैं और ये he must be hurting from that loss.
So far it's been clear domination by Sham Anand here. Abhishek Negi needs to do something here, get himself out of that position and start over all again.
श्याम आनंद का एक्चुअली अगर प्रो रिकॉर्ड देखे तो 0-1, लेकिन अभिषेक का अगर प्रो रिकॉर्ड देखे तो एक्चुअली 4-0 था, 4 wins and no losses.
बिल्कुल सलिल, ऐसा होता है कि लोकल सर्किट में you can fight as much as you want, but to be here at MFN it takes a lot of time, and Sham Anand made his debut at MFN almost 2 years back.
Straight into the deep end, dominating the fight, and there's blood everywhere right now. Couple of big punches away and it could be, अगर श्याम आनंद ने अगर 1-2 पंचेस और लैंड कर दिया कि फाइट यही खत्म हो जाएगी, रेफरी could stop the fight.
Well, so far it's been bloody from the cage side. It's been gory. Sham Anand has been throwing in those crazy elbows. It's been bloody. We can see a lot of bloodshed here.
He might actually stop the fight in case it continues like this, क्योंकि one way traffic चल रहा है श्याम आनंद का सिर्फ. Just not being able to lose the grip. और finally
we can see a lot of blood here. Both the fighters in the standing position.
आपको अगर ब्लड शामानंद पर दिख रहा है वो एक्चुअली अभिषेक का खून है.
Oh, this is
Because
crazy.
his head
This
has been
is crazy. No bloodshed, no glory, no scars, no story. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Matrix Fight Night 7. We assure you a lot of action, and Sham Anand dominating all the action here tonight.
Oh,
Another
he takes Abhishek down.
Another slam.
कंप्लीट एंड अटर डोमिनेशन इन द फर्स्ट राउंड शामानंद का. और अभिषेक बहुत भारी पड़ रहा है उनको, लेकिन यहाँ पे रेफरी ने पोजीशन रोका.
This has been super crazy. This has been absolutely lit.
So Rahul, he's the referee separated the two fighters.
We've got the referees checking Abhishek Negi.
I think
They've
they
called in for the
doctor in.
doctors.
Yes. But I think it's just a superficial cut, Rahul. What do you say?
Well, I don't think so. I don't think so. With those crazy bloody elbows, Sham Anand here has been able to do a lot of damage on Abhishek Negi, and it is clearly visible.
And that eye also looks very swollen there. So the doctor coming to see if this he can continue or not.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Matrix Fight Night. We are live from Taj Falaknuma, broadcasted exclusively on Book My Show, and we promise you a lot of stunning action here tonight. We've got an amazing audience presence here. This is a closed event. However, we've got a lot of people who are waiting at the gates to enter the premises and have not got permission. Salil,
Yeah.
we saw massive crowd outside the venue. They couldn't enter.
COVID protocols have to be maintained, and that's the reason why we've actually done this. But I'm really looking forward to, I think a lot of these, the audiences in Hyderabad are seeing it for the first time, and we're excited that we're back. But now it looks like Abhishek Negi को clean sheet मिल गया है डॉक्टर का, और Shamanand will be able to resume. अब देखना ये है कि 1 मिनट बचा है पहले राउंड में. The first 3 minutes has been completely dominated by Shamanand. Now remains to be seen what will happen next.
Sham Anand has been hungry, and we can see it here. The grit, determination, blood, sweat, hard work that he's put in over the last 20 months since he lost to Sanjeev.
And
is
non-stop
clearly
उसके
showing.
punches जा रहे हैं. Rahul, it looks like once again.
Same thing once again. It was like an action replay.
I have a feeling this time the referee, if he steps in, won't just be separating the fighters. They might just call the fight off.
Less than 30 seconds. Clear one-way domination by Sham Anand, representing team ICSA here, led by coach Jitesh Panjan, who's in the corner as well. We can see him smiling.
अभिषेक के कोच दिगंबर सिंह रावत ज्यादा खुश नहीं होंगे म्यूटेंट एमएमए को रिप्रेजेंट करते हुए.
Less than
Hoping
10
that the last 10
seconds.
seconds just somehow go for the first round.
Well, this has been super gory, super bloody, ladies and gentlemen. This is mixed martial arts, all the way from Taj Falaknuma, specially for you, and exclusively
And that's the end of the
broadcasted
first round, Rahul.
on Book My Show. Yes.
Completely dominated by Shamanand. और मुझे लगता है कि अब जो मेंटल प्रेशर में अभिषेक नेगी होंगे, क्योंकि एक तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंजरीज भी बहुत हुई हैं, खून भी बहुत आया है, प्लस वो एक क्लीन ब्लो भी नहीं लगा पाए हैं. ही इज बीन पिन टू द ग्राउंड and just been totally helpless.
Let's look at the highlights. That was the initial few seconds of the round.
और तब से खून निकलना शुरू हुआ
Heavy
है.
elbows by Sham Anand. Bang, bang, one by one, pound by pound. And we can see Abhishek Negi bleeding. Sham Anand throwing in strikes as if it's no man's business. And we can see Abhishek Negi.
और
full
ये
of
टेक
blood,
डाउन जो था बहुत ही
sweat
ज्यादा
here.
बढ़िया था. इनफैक्ट यहाँ पे जो हमारे ऑडियंस में बैठे हैं भी बहुत सारे हमारे फाइटर्स हैं, हमारे खुद के कमेंटेटर मेरे साथ में जो बैठे हैं, राहुल खुद ही फाइटर हैं. उनको भी मन कर रहा होगा अंदर जाऊं मैं यहाँ पे और मैं भी कुछ करूं, है ना?
सलिल
फील आ रही है?
फाइटर थे. अभी आपको सेहत देख के लगता है मैं फाइटर हूँ.
सर ये तो आपको जुनून दिखाना पड़ेगा एमएफएन में एंट्री मारने के लिए एज ए फाइटर. थोड़ी देर पहले यहाँ पे मनन भी रह के गए हैं. मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे सबको इंस्पायर करना पड़ेगा टू मेक अ कमबैक. एलन सर खुद ही मुझे आज लग रहा था कि उनको अपने पुराने दिन याद आ रहे थे, जिस तरह जितने एक्साइटेड हो गए थे वो.
Well, yes, you know, a lot of credit for making this card happen goes to Coach Alan the Bull Fernandez, the first pro fighter from India. He's the man responsible for putting these fights here, and the fights are so evenly matched.
All
you
right.
can see a lot of action.
We've seen evenly matched fights till now, लेकिन this has not been. It's been one-way traffic from Shamanand. और एक बार फिर से aggressively moving into Abhishek.
But look at Abhishek, you know, despite those massive blows, a lot of bloodshed, he's still standing there.
But he's also moving back, Rahul. I don't see him moving forward and landing a punch. There's no point in just staying in the ring over there and not doing anything about it. There again, he's got him and he's again managed to take him down. एक बार फिर से Sham Anand, total domination, and it's an action replay of round 1.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सलिल, ऐसा ही लग रहा है कि एक्शन रिप्ले है जो हमने राउंड 1 में देखा. शाम आनंद वही कर रहे हैं जो उन्होंने फर्स्ट राउंड में किया. वो पंच फेंकते हैं, he takes the opponent down via slam.
क्लियर हेडशॉट्स नहीं लग रहे हैं, लेकिन नहीं तो मुझे लगता है कि रेफरी यहाँ पे राउंड रोक देंगे. ही स्टिल मैनेजिंग टू जस्ट लैंड साइड पंचेस.
You know, this is what I call effective striking. What Sham Anand is throwing here is effective striking. And I'm waiting for him to win this bout because iske baad ho sakta hai he may call out Sanjeet Budwar once again because he had his first loss to Sanjeet Budwar.
You can call out all you want, but you got to wait for MFN 8 then. अगर आप ये ऐसा चाहेंगे. Let's got to finish the task at hand first. Let's not speak before the fat lady actually has delivered. You never know what could happen.
Amen, you know. This is absolutely true. But Salil here...
Abhishek hanging in there, but Rahul he's not allowing a clean shot.
I think
कोच
the
भी यही
bout
बोलते हैं
is
बाहर निकलो वहां से. ये
going to be
बोलना
over.
आसान, लेकिन करना बड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है.
बिल्कुल, और मुझे लगता है ये बाउट जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगी. This bout is not going to the round 3. So far, this has been clear domination by Sham Anand representing Team ICSA and the first pro fighter from the state of Bihar. He is making the entire Bihar proud tonight.
अगर आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि अभिषेक की पूरी वाइट जो शॉट्स हैं सारे उन्हीं के खून से लथपथ हो चुकी हैं. And the danger and the action is real, my friends. अगर आप लोग देखते हैं, if you ever go to a gym and you think कि मुझे MMA फाइटर होना है, this is what you need to face when you go into a cage. यहाँ पे जो स्किल लेवल और जो पेन लेवल हर एक फाइटर पोजेस करता है, एक नेक्स्ट लेवल तक ले जाता है फाइट.
बिल्कुल सलिल, जैसे कि मैंने बोला, no bloodshed, no glory, no scars, no story. Ladies and gentlemen, this is mixed martial arts.
He's really
MMA.
going at him, Rahul. He's got him in a bind and he's got his right hand free. And Sham Anand non-stop fight करते जा रहे हैं. Looks like it's going to be fight and very soon. Now, I think the referee should call this, don't you think?
Well, I think the referee will call it
And it
sooner
looks
or
like-
later.
Yes, I think it's happened. Yes. This was a long time coming. Yes.
Oh my goodness. Look at Abhishek
Wow.
Negi.
And Sham Anand. Total domination.
I think it's over. It's over. This fight is over. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got Sham Anand making a comeback at Matrix Fight Night 7. The fight is lit. The night is lit. Brace yourselves for a lot of action. That's the stitches. And let's look at the highlights. Wow. Heavy shots. Heavy shots. Heavy shots. God damn. This is fantastic. You know, what a fantastic comeback. This is absolutely superb.
Big. आपको देख लेंगे 2 दिन तक मैं उन शक्लों को देखूंगा.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Ranjit called a stop to this contest at 2 minutes and 44 seconds of round 2, declaring the winner by TKO, Sham Anand.
Very well said. Congratulations once again.
I want to thank all the people who supported me. मैं अपने बिहार के लोगों को भी बहुत तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ. तू लोग हमरा के बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट कैला जा, हमरा बहुत खुशी बाटे.